Hi, I'm Jen Ferguson with Artistic Painting Studio, and we're back again with another Quick Tip Tuesday. So we touched on Glass Bead Gel, and I want to show you guys how to clean off your stencil because that is so important when working with glass beads. We don't want to put this material down our sink, and nor do we want to lose any of it. So I'm going to zoom in so that you can see my table better. And once you have embossed a design with glass beads, you're just going to remove your stencil. You're going to see that beautiful, beautiful pattern that you created. And then we recommend get some packing paper or newsprint, something that's clean, okay? Put the stencil down on that surface, and with the same color shaper tool, okay, I'm cleaning mine off, you can take that tool and just glide it over the stencil, and you're able to actually recapture a lot of the bead gel. See how much product was still on there. Okay, put that back in your container so you're not throwing it away. And also, if you're on a clean surface, even if it's gone into some of the openings, you can even clean it off the paper as well, just depending on how much was left on the stencil. Recapture that as well. But this is the way to do it. We don't want you cleaning off your stencil and throwing all that glass bead gel down the sink. So this stencil is now clean enough to go and wash with, all we do is soap and a scrubber brush, okay? So that's our Quick Tip Tuesday for today. Thanks for joining.